Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, we are making a South Indian classic with a special twist. Green Brinjal Sambar. Let's get cooking. Ingredients are as follows. Tur dal, 2 cups. Tomatoes, 2. Onion, 1. Tamarind, ½ cup. Green brinjal, 2. Sambar powder. Red chilli. We'll start by prepping our star ingredient. I'm slicing these green brinjals into large pieces, so they hold their shape. Next, add them straight into the pressure cooker along with washed tur dal, onions, tomatoes, a bit of tamarind, salt, red chili powder, and turmeric. Pour in some water, close the lid, and let it cook for about 3 to 4 whistles until everything is perfectly soft. Once the pressure settles, open it up, and next goes in a good quality sambar powder. Give it a gentle mix, let it simmer for a minute, and finish it off with a hot, sizzling tadka. Finally, the heartbeat of any good sambar, the tempering or tadka. In a small pan, heat some oil or ghee, splutter your mustard seeds, jeera seeds, add garlic, and a handful of crisp curry leaves, onions. Pour that sizzling goodness tadka right on top of the sambar. Trap the aroma for a minute, and your perfect green brinjal sambar is ready to serve. Let your sambar come to a boil, and then add in some freshly chopped coriander to bring it all to life. And there you have it, a comforting bowl of green brinjal sambar, made entirely in one pot. The brinjal is perfectly tender, and that fresh coriander just ties everything together. Pour this over hot rice with a dollop of ghee, papad on the side and a tangy pickle, and you're good to go. Give this recipe a try the next time you want a quick, delicious lunch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.